How to use Ally Bank. If you want to use Ally Bank, we're mostly specifically talking about online banking or mobile banking. Now you can download the Ally Bank mobile app and also log into your mobile banking from there. Or if you're using the browser, you can go to ally.com. First off, if you have not yet created your bank account on Ally, you can see checkings and savings account. Over here, you can simply go to open account option to be able to open any of these accounts that they offer, which are spendings, savings, money market, high yield, raising rate, no penalty CD accounts, and so on. Similarly, if you want to apply for any kind of credit or debit card, you could go to this credit card option and you should be able to see any sort of credit card that they offer here. Now, first, before you do all this, if you want to log in or sign up for your online banking on Ally Bank, you could simply go to the login option from the top right. Over here, you simply need to enter your username as well as also the password that is associated with your Ally Bank account. Then you can click on the login option to do so. In case you happen to forget your username or password, you can click on forgot username or forgot password. Now, if you have not yet created a profile to manage your account online, you can simply click on create a profile link that you'd be able to find on the right hand side of the screen. Now, once you've logged in, you can actually make transactions online, send money to other people, and so on. Here, if you want to go to investing and requirement, you can open up a retirement account. If you go to mortgage, you'll be able to pull off a mortgage for your house or car or whatever else it is. The auto loans option is also a great choice. And this is how you can use Ally Bank's website, all its functionalities, and log in and do transactions as well. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.